Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Many of you are interested in purchasing an action camera, and everyone will be having a dream to purchase a GoPro. But the problem is the cost, which is around 30,000 rupees, which many of us cannot afford. The best option is to go for an alternative that you can get under 5,000 rupees. There are many lists, and also you can find the links in the description like EKEN H9, NoisePlay, and also SJ-Cam. So one among the list is the SJ-Cam 4000 Air. So we'll make a review and also performance test in this video. So let's begin. It comes with very good packing. There you get a camera and also an accessories box. The camera comes with a waterproof casing, and it can shoot videos up to 4K 22 FPS and can also capture photos up to 16 megapixels. Now let's have a look on the accessories. Inside this you get some stickers, a user manual, charging cable, and some additional attachments that you can use according to your different requirements. It is the 4K action camera with built-in Wi-Fi. The camera is not the waterproof. When you need to take the camera underwater, you have to install this protective case, and you can take up to 30 meters depth. It gets a matte black finish, and at the front there is a power button and also 170-degree wide angle lens. At the right side you get a speaker and a navigation buttons. At the back side you get 2-inch LCD screen and charge and status indicator. To the left there is a micro USB port for charging and also for data transfer. Along with it there is a SD card slot where you can use it up to 64GB memory cards. This camera comes with 900 mAh battery, which can give you a runtime of approximately 60 to 70 minutes. If you go for settings, you can see a lot of options there like white balance, exposure, time lapse, slow motion, and also many video and photo resolutions. As it is a Wi-Fi camera, there is an application available for both iOS and Android. You can install the application and you can control all the settings and also access the video through your smartphone itself. So guys, now let's see how this camera performs. And what the settings here is 1080p 30 frames per second. This audio and video is completely recorded through SJ-Cam. And when you are using case, the audio will be not recorded. So make sure guys you remove the case when the audio is required. And now we have changed the settings to 4K 22 frames per second. So this is how it performs in 4K. So from the samples we can see that this camera is giving its best performance in the videos, but the photos are not up to the mark. My opinion is that you can use this only for shooting videos. There's one disadvantage in this camera, that is it does not have stabilization, and also we can't expect this feature under 5000 rupees. I had purchased this camera long ago from banggood.com for 2400 rupees, but now they have increased the price to 4500 rupees. So we'll provide the link in the description box. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section. Hit on the like button, and for more videos you can subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one.